So welcome once again students. Today in the revision section I am going to explain certain more questions from your syllabus. Now here I have written the question number 1 of exercise 1.1. Question number 1 first part is written here. So one of the students asked me to solve this question. So here I have written that the question is that using appropriate property find the value of this. So students you need to use the appropriate property. Here you are going to get 3 by 5 and 3 by 5. So if you are going to write both near each other, so you can take 3 by 5 as a common. So here I am going to write minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. That number I had written as it is. And here I am going to write near this one minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. So these two numbers I have written. What is the remaining? 5 by 2. So plus 5 by 2. So here what you can take common? 3 by 5. So if I am going to take 3 by 5 common, so I have taken 3 by 5 common, so it will be minus 2 by 3. Here 3 by 5 is taken as common, so minus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. So it is equal to 3 by 5. Now what is the LCM here? 3 to the 6, 2 to the 4, minus 4, minus 1 plus 5 by 2. Now it is equal to 3 by 5 into minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 upon 6 plus 5 by 2. Here 5 and minus 5 will be cancelled, minus 1, minus 5 divided by 5 minus 1, and 3 into minus 1 equal to minus 3 upon 6 plus 5 by 2. Again 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. It is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Now what is the LCM here? LCM will be 2. So minus 1 plus 5. It is equal to plus 4 by 2. It is equal to 2. So if you are going to solve, you will get it. It is equal to 2. So I think all of you are able to solve this type of questions. Now students, here I have written one word problem here that is related to linear equation. So many of the students, they are having the doubt regarding word problem in linear equation in one variable. So students, I am going to explain certain questions. Here I have written Rakhi's mother is 4 times as old as Rakhi. After 5 years, her mother will be 3 times as old as she will be then. Find their present age. So here the question is based on the ages of 2 persons. One is Rakhi and second is her mother. You need to find the age of both. So if you are going to solve this type of question like word problem, then you need to read the word problem once or twice so that you will be able to understand that, and after that you need to take the variable. Suppose that here you need to find the age of 2 persons. So if I am going to write let present age of Rakhi equal to x years. Now I have taken one variable for the Rakhi's present age, that is x year. Now here it is given that Rakhi's mother is 4 times as old as Rakhi. So what will be the age of Rakhi's mother? That will be 4 times the age of Rakhi. It means Rakhi's mother present age. According to the question, Rakhi's mother is 4 times as old as Rakhi. So it will be 4 into x, 4x years. So I got the present age of both Rakhi and Rakhi's mother. Now again I will read the next statement in the question. After 5 years, whatever the condition is given, that is given for the age of both the person after 5 years. So here you will find the ages of both the person after 5 years. So after 5 years age of Rakhi, what will be that? X plus 5. If present age is x years, so after 5 years it will be 5 will be added, so x plus 5 years. Now in the same way, after 5 years age of her mother, that is equal to what is the present age? 4x and plus 5, 4x plus 5 years. So after 5 years the age will be 5 more than the present age. Now you got the age of both the person after 5 years. Now here it is written that her mother will be 3 times as old as she will be then. In this statement it is written that after 5 years the age of mother will be 3 times the age of Rakhi. It means according to question, what is the age after 5 years of mother? That is 4x plus 5. it is equal to, according to the question, that will be 3 times the age of Rakhi at that time. So x plus 5. So now you got the equation. Now you need to solve it. So 4x plus 5 equal to 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into 5, 15. Now send the variable term in one side. So 4x minus 3x, and 5 will be transferred in that side. 15 minus 5, that is x equal to 10. So you got the value of x, that is 10. Now what is the present age of Rakhi? X year and x value is 10. So what is the present age of Rakhi? 10 years. So present age of Rakhi, that is equal to 10 years. And now present age of mother, present age of mother, that is equal to, what is the present age of mother? 4x. So 4x, it is equal to 4 into 10, that is 40 years. So it is the complete solution of the question. So students, if you are going to solve the word problem, if you are going to read the word problem twice or thrice, and if you are able to understand that, then you need to make the equation, and after solving the equation you will get the, whatever the question is asked, you will get it easily. Now students, here I have written one question, that is the question given in your book also. Some of the students, they were having the doubt in that question. Half of the herd of a deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. So I had explained this question and I had given the solution in the one of the video, but again I am going to explain that. Here this question is based on the herd of the deer. Certain number of deers are there in that herd, and the condition is given and you need to find the number of deer. So first it is asked that number of deer, so I will take the number of deer as variable x. So first statement will be, let number of deer in the herd equal to x. So I have taken the number of deer as x. Now I will read the statement. Half of the herd of the deer are grazing. So if number of deer are x and half are grazing, so how many are grazing? That is half of x, it means x by 2. So number of deer grazing in the field, that is equal to x by 2. If total deer are x and half of the deer are grazing, it means x by 2 are grazing in the field. Now again it is written that, and 3/4 of the remaining. Suppose that if half of grazing, so how many are remaining deer? If half are grazing, so half will be remaining. So remaining deer equal to remaining deer, the number of remaining deer. If total x deer are there and x by 2 are grazing, so what is the remaining? That is x by 2 is remaining. Suppose that if 50 deer are there, then 25 will be grazing and 25 will be remaining. In the same way, x deer are there, so x by 2 are grazing and remaining are x by 2, that is here remaining. Now it is given that 3/4 of the remaining are playing. So number of deer playing, so remaining x by 2, and out of the 3/4 of this are playing, so 3/4 of x by 2 are playing. It means that is equal to 3x by 8 are playing. So out of x by 2, 3x by 2 are playing. So what is the remaining number of deer again? So number of remaining deer, that is equal to, out of x by 2, 3x by 8 are playing. So x by 2 minus 3x by 8. So LCM will be 8. So 2 4 is 8, 4x minus 3x, that is equal to x by 8. It means कि remaining are x by 8. X by 2 are grazing, 3x by 8 are playing, and whatever the remaining, that is x by 8. Now in the question it is given that the rest 9 are drinking water. So according to the question, whatever the rest drs are there, that are drinking water. So according to question, what is the remaining dr in your case? That is x by 8. So these x by 8 are drinking water, it means it is equal to 9. So x by 8 equal to 9. It shows that x equal to 72. It means the total number of dr equal to 72. So students, it is the solution. Again I am going to explain that here certain dr are there, so you have taken let the number of dr in the herd are x. Now in the question it is given that half of the herd of the deer are grazing. It means the number of deer grazing in the field equal to half of the total deer, it means x by 2. So if half are grazing, so half will be remaining, so remaining deer equal to x by 2. X by 2 are grazing and remaining are x by 2. Now in the question it is given that and 3/4 of the remaining are playing. So whatever the remaining is there, that is x by 2, and 3/4 of the remaining, it means number of deer playing equal to 3/4 of the remaining, that is x by 2. So 3/4 into x by 2, that is 3x by 8 are playing. Now out of x by 2, 3x by 8 are playing. So whatever the remaining deer are there, so number of remaining deer equal to 3x by 8 that are playing. So x minus 2 minus 3x by 8, that is x by 8. So these are the remaining deer who are neither you can say that neither grazing nor playing. These are the remaining x by 8. And in the question it is given that the rest 9 are drinking water. It means according to the question you are going to get rest are x by 8, and that should be equal to 9. So x by 8 equal to 9, and after that you got the value of x, that is 72. So it is the complete solution. So now students, all of you know that mathematics is that only practice based subject. So here I had given some question that is for the homework, and that will give you a practice also for the exercises of the questions of chapter 2. So once again here I have written the certain question. Here 5 questions are there. You need to solve all these questions and you need to comment the answer of this question in the comment section. And tomorrow I will give the correct answer of these questions in the comment section also, so that you will be able to match your answers. So here kindly solve these 5 questions.